Ow! Oh, I forgot to mention. Since I'm the one who raised it, this hoot-hoot only gets along with pretty girls.
Oh, is that right, Hoot-Hoot? Do you like pretty girls?
Too bad there aren't any here.
You quit saying bad things about the Electabuzz. They're gonna beat everybody.
The Electabuzz couldn't beat an egg.
Oh, yeah? And what about all the great hitters that are on the Electabuzz?
Those guys aren't hitters. I've seen better swings on a playground.
Fortress Explosion!
There's no need to get excited. Look, sparks are coming from its cheeks, right? That's an early symptom of a cold in electric rodent Pokemon. If you leave it here overnight, I'm sure it'll be fine in the morning.
Miss? Excuse me, but are you by any chance the oddball in your family?
My picture's gonna be on posters when I'm a big famous star. Huh? Excuse me?
Maybe in horror movies. Fire water gun at 1 o'clock now! Quit it! Stop spraying me! Squirtle, return!
Is everything okay?
It's okay. It's working just fine.
I wasn't asking about your camera. I was worried about you.
But you see, this camera is my life.
Get yourself a new life.
Oh!